Y'all, it's a different task today. We gotta demo this small little shed type thing. I got the machine warming up there. It's already greased up, filter clean. Maintenance first. Testing out the new amp trailer. And it's another small shed over that way. But I figured I'd work my way from the back of the property, going up to the front. So it's got a wood deck on it. They're like aluminum for like some sheet metal for the roof, which I'm gonna try to ball that up the best way I can. And you see a gate there and a gate there, so I'm gonna try to work from this side over here or this side, but I ain't gonna bore y'all. I'm gonna do a little time lapse shortly, but I
Sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, musta heard around. How that sound? Yeah, that sound good, tell them break it down. ISO Wendy's in your town, don't forget the $sign. How that sound? Yeah, that sound good, tell them get in line. Hold it down, came up from the underground. How that sound? Yeah, that sound good. Sounds good, how that sound? Yeah, that sound good. Sounds good, how that sound? Yeah, that sound good. Sounds good, how that sound? Yeah, that sound good. Sounds good. Fake niggas in the picture, let me crop them out. They told us trust the process, we ain't stopping now. They know that it's a scene when we popping out. Came up from the dirt, yeah, we popping out. It's our yeah, we finna lock it down. We the top boys in your city when we come around. ISO no POP, tell them hold it down. We been dropping every month, we ain't slowing down, nah. Ayy, sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, musta heard around. How that sound? Yeah, that sound good, tell them break it down. ISO Wendy's in your town, don't forget the...
So this is where I got in a matter of about 15 minutes. I still got a lot of room on the end of that trailer there and on the front. I'm gonna take this, I might try to break it up without the saw, but I got a chainsaw. I was gonna go right on that joist and cut it into sections, but let me just try to, let's see if I can move it out there and crush it up some. Let's see. I got it cut up in 2 sections, so that should be enough. All right, y'all, so this is where I'm at. I got the bucket on, getting the little hand scraps. Like I said, I like to keep the deck there so I can put much as I can on the deck so you don't have to do too much picking up. But we're right around the 45 to 50 minute mark. I say it should take about an hour to get the rest of it up. And I've already started on the first one. I knocked one piece down, but I stopped because I wanted to get it on camera. Move the trailer up some. I'm gonna try to push all that down. And I'm gonna load this stuff up. I'm gonna get some shots loading up. for a shed on this one, I'm gonna back drag it, and that's it. All right, so we went up front. This is the little carport thing here. I gotta take the tin down, the wood, and the concrete too. But the concrete goes to a recycling plant. So I don't know if I got enough room, we'll see. All right, y'all, so I'm back from the dump. It was right at 4,000 pounds, which is 2 tons. Only thing is a learning curve for me. This here is gonna cost me $175 just for this little bit left. Cause it goes by a 2-ton minimum here. I didn't think to call the landfill to see what the minimum was. But that's just a learning curve, so I'm finna get this on there and we'll be out the way. Pick it up without damaging it. So that's how I kind of getting into it. This is a bigger load than I thought too. So her neighbor had some stuff. I went and got the extra money off of that. I just put it across the fence, and now I'm finna put it on the dumpster. I just did that. I hit the button. So this is it right here. I just got to come back and get the concrete. It's going on 3.5 hours. So we're making pretty good time. A little slower than what I thought, to be honest. I thought it'd be 2.5 hours and I'd be done. But it don't always work that way, especially I don't do this all the time, so. You know, we do concrete, so. Okay, so there y'all have it. I got 2 of the sheds demoed and the concrete up within 5 hours. But the good thing about it, the concrete recycle plant is free, and that was 4 miles away, which took me 10 minutes to get there. And then the landfill was like 5 miles away. So everything worked out pretty good. A couple learning curves for me. You know, I don't typically do this, so but I learned a few things. But y'all like, comment, and subscribe.